Hi you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm in my kitchen. I'm making chicken soup today and I thought it would be a fun thing to share with you. It's cold, it's snowy, and this is like a really rewarding thing to do when the weather is like that. It cooks all day. At the end of the day, it feels like you've really done something, but you haven't. It's so easy. If you've never made it before, you should totally try it. It is a great winter staple and I'm going to take you through it step by step. Whole chicken in my soup pot here, and I'm gonna fill it up with cold water and then put in like my aromatics and my vegetables. All right, so I filled it up with cold water. I want to show you like what I'm working with here. It's a pretty tall stock pot, and then I am going to put in carrots. It's 2 carrots that I just broke in half. I'm not even cutting things. And then I've got a big thing of celery, and I've got an onion that I just cut in half. I didn't even take the skin off. And now I am adding in a bunch of dill because I like to make this the way my Jewish grandmother would, and that means lots of dill. And then I'm gonna add just a big handful of fresh parsley as well. And now I'm going to add in a few spoonfuls of kosher salt. I don't really measure this so much, but I would say it's probably like a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Once it starts boiling, you can taste it and see if you like the salt level. It's a lot of water though, so it definitely needs a lot of that salt. And then I'm gonna add in a fair amount of black pepper. And I'm gonna add in some poultry seasoning as well, just because traditionally you might do this with the carcass of a roasted chicken and it would have that seasoning. So I'm gonna put this on high heat until it starts to simmer, and then I'm gonna lower it way down and just let it simmer for a few hours. All right, so it's been simmering away for about an hour, and you can see we're starting to get that golden yellow color that you want from chicken soup. I've got the heat turned way low. I just want it to slightly simmer, very lazy. This is gonna go for another hour at least, maybe another 2 hours, but already my house smells incredible. This should be a scented candle. So this has been going for about 3 hours, and you can tell the broth is a really pretty golden color. I have another pot right here with a colander in it. I'm gonna pour this into the colander so that all the stuff strains through and I've got just the broth left, and then I'm gonna let the chicken cool down. Then I'll be able to pull the chicken apart and add it back into my broth.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas just like.
And here is the finished soup. So the carrots that I boiled everything in, I just sliced it up and added it into the soup. And I served this over egg noodles. You could also do rice with this. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you try it.
So take your name.